The fact that it's so common to have difficulty communicating any emotion other than happy and good shows how little creed has been given to the emotional whole. Phrases like emotions are for the weak and concepts like toxic positivity only further showcase this. We're admonished for being Debbie Downers and advised to keep a stiff upper lip, denouncing, ignoring, or avoiding negative emotions, which is likely some of the worst advice ever. Instead of integrating and maturing, we've chosen amputation. And since it's never been openly out there, most of us have little idea how to deal. Negative emotions are an integral part of being a full person. As such, we need to learn how to care for ourselves, acknowledging this aspect, and teach ourselves how to react in a healthy way, rather than be inactive or making it worse.